The smartphone of the future is almost here. Samsung's packing their upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra with never-before-seen tech that's poised to revolutionize how you connect, create, and compute on the go. But the real question is your mind ready to be blown by the world's most advanced mobile device? Well, today we are about to dive deep on one of the most groundbreaking, history-making smartphones set to launch in 2024, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Based on the exciting leaks and rumors we've seen so far, Samsung is gearing up to release an absolute showstopper of a phone. We're talking never-before-seen AI capabilities, bleeding-edge processing speed, and camera innovation that will leave iPhone and Pixel users weeping with envy. Buckle up, folks. This next-gen flagship is poised to blow our collective minds. Revolutionary on-device generative AI. All right, first things first. The reports of Samsung rolling out on-device generative AI on the S24 Ultra. This is massive. For those unfamiliar with generative AI, it's technology that can actually generate brand new content, like text, images, translations, summaries, and more, itself, rather than simply spit out what humans directly create, and it will be called Samsung Gauss. So for example, it could write a thoughtful email for you based on key ideas and context, or design a product logo on the fly tailored to your business. The capabilities here are astounding, but bringing it on-device to smartphones? Now that's a mobile breakthrough for the history books. Running locally rather than relying solely on the cloud means you'll have instant access to these AI features without needing Wi-Fi or cellular data. Imagine asking your Galaxy phone to summarize a dense document right there in your hands, then seamlessly jumping into Hangouts to discuss with your study group, no connectivity required. Or pulling up the camera app to take some photos on a remote hike miles from the nearest cell tower, and still being able to erase unwanted objects or transform the images into works of art leveraging AI. The possibilities this unlocks for on-the-go use cases are simply mind-blowing. It seems Samsung is pouring immense resources into developing proprietary generative AI models exclusively for their Galaxy devices. While tech giants like Google race full steam ahead building the dominant cloud AI platform of the future, Samsung seems determined to put innovative on-device AI directly into the hands of consumers. And frankly, they're brilliantly positioned to pull this off. With complete control over their mobile hardware and software ecosystem, Samsung can achieve deep integration and optimization that device-agnostic competitors simply can't match. Expect the Galaxy S24 Ultra to deliver the single best channel for experiencing the transformative power of AI in your everyday life when it launches. This phone truly represents the dawn of a new era. Blazing fast Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 performance. Now, serving as the beating heart powering all these next-gen AI functionalities is none other than Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform. As the first ground-up redesign of Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon chip series in years, this processor represents a massive generational leap forward, leveraging TSMC's cutting-edge 4nm manufacturing process and engineered specifically for AI acceleration. The 8 Gen 3 screams, we're talking up to 4 times faster CPU performance, up to 2 times faster GPU rendering, and up to a whopping 40% speedier AI processing versus last year's model. These extreme performance increases particularly apply to the types of workloads required by complex generative AI. Tasks that used to take 15 plus seconds can now complete almost instantaneously with the 8 Gen 3's combination of next-gen KI cores, advanced AI software optimizations, and blistering 5G connectivity enabling cloud-accelerated inferencing when needed. Expect buttery smooth operation, bringing all of Samsung's ambitious on-device AI to life atop the exceptionally fast and efficient Snapdragon 8 platform. Whether you're generating images, translating documents, composing thoughtful messages, or anything in between, the 8 Gen 3 delivers the raw horsepower to handle exponentially more advanced use cases compared to what we've seen before. Paired with Samsung's software innovations, next year's flagships look ready to massively expand the envelope of possibility for smartphone experiences. The sky's the limit. Revolutionary camera capabilities. Of course, we can't have a true next-gen Samsung flagship without cutting-edge photography breakthroughs. While still firmly under wraps, murmurs around Samsung's mobile imaging roadmap suggest they're prepping something special to take the S24 Ultra's cameras to unseen heights. Early rumors point to a gargantuan new 200-megapixel main sensor, replacing the already impressive 108MP module found in the S23 series. That's an almost 2 times jump in resolution, bringing extraordinary levels of detail beyond what the human eye can perceive. Resolutions. This extreme opened the doors for incredible new use cases like lossless zoom and cropping that sacrifice zero image quality, even with dramatic adjustments. 200MP also serves as the perfect canvas to demonstrate the advanced AI photo enhancement tools reportedly in development by Samsung. Expect revolutionary features that push smartphone photography beyond physical constraints. We're talking computational upscaling to even higher resolutions, clearly displaying fine textures and minute details. Intelligent editing to instantly retouch facial tones and lighting in group portraits. Object removal plus scene completion to automatically wipe unwanted background elements without leaving awkward gaps or effects. The list goes on and on. Samsung seems ready to transcend traditional perceptions around mobile photography to unlock flexibility and creative expression previously unimaginable from smartphone cameras. Together with processing powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for real-time enhancements, shooting with Samsung's next flagship device could make lugging around bulky DSLR rigs feel downright archaic. Expect the Galaxy S24 Ultra to deliver versatility no other smartphone camera system has achieved before it. The competition should be downright terrified. What an exhilarating whirlwind of bleeding-edge mobile technology Samsung seems poised to wow us with on the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra. We touched on the revolutionary on-device generative AI laying the foundations for this phone to completely transform how users interact with their devices on a fundamental level. We discussed the lightning-fast next-gen Snapdragon 8 platform serving as the muscle-driving exponential performance increases to make these ambitious capabilities possible. And we explored rumors pointing to bonkers new 200MP camera hardware plus AI editing tools enabling flexible creativity far surpassing the constraints of traditional smartphone photography. Across the board, it's clear Samsung is gearing up to shake up the mobile space in a major way with their next flagship release. Combining best-in-class processors, transformative software innovation, and a commitment to push hardware forward faster than ever before, the Galaxy S24 Ultra looks ready to deliver an experience years ahead of anything we've seen thus far. We don't know about you all, but our mind is officially blown. Just imagining what Samsung has cooking behind the scenes. With upgrades across the board, from performance to cameras and especially AI, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is shaping up to be a monumental release for Samsung. This flagship has the potential to set a new standard for what a smartphone can do. But the S24 Ultra still needs to prove itself against rivals like the iPhone 15 Pro Max and Google Pixel 8 Pro. Can Samsung's first smartphone outfitted with a Snapdragon chip in years outshine the best from Apple and Google? We'll have to wait for the official launch likely in early 2024 to find out. But one thing's for sure, the S24 Ultra is already generating plenty of excitement with its ambitious upgrades. Samsung seems determined to leapfrog the competition and unleash a truly smart smartphone. We are pumped to hear your thoughts and reactions to everything we covered today. What element has has you most excited about the S24 Ultra? On-device AI, wild new camera tech, sheer performance gains? Let us know which piece of the puzzle stands out most to you in the comments down below. And be sure to subscribe so you won't miss a beat as we follow every leak leading up to the official launch. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you all in the next one.